What is up guys, Joel here back with another video, and if you've been keeping up with the channel lately, you've probably noticed the Nokia Steel HR. It's a hybrid smartwatch that I've been using for the past several weeks. I've been wearing it to not only track my workouts, but also my sleep. So in the app itself, waking up in the morning, I usually open up the app and see how much I've slept. So all the sleep data is synced over easily to the Nokia HealthMate app. Here I get a breakdown of my night, whether I was awake, light sleep, or deep sleep, and it even shows your heart rate throughout the night. So being able to get more of a visual on the app itself gives you more of an idea if you got some adequate rest. But today I'm going to be taking it out in the wilderness and going for a hike. So let's go ahead and do that and see if I can close my step goal for the day. Now it's very simple to track your workouts with the Steel HR by simply holding down the side button, and then that'll begin your workout. So right now I'm out in the wilderness. Not really considering this a workout, but it is making me sweat. So I guess it is kind of a workout. So I almost fell. But it shows my live heart rate. So it's at 100. I've been working out for 20 minutes. So far so good. I like it because it just looks stylish, and I've been saying that a lot in the videos, but that's really one of the things I really like about it. It's stylish and it keeps track of everything pretty much. So calories, steps, and heart rate, live heart rate at the moment, so I can see exactly what my heart rate is right at this point in time.
Good girl, you got it. Nope. She's gonna try to go over here.
So far so good, because I'm halfway to my step goal for the day. Layla, what are you doing? So far looks like barely at 95 heart rate, and I've been out here for about 75 minutes. So being able to work out and not have to really have something huge on your wrist, it's always a plus. So using the Nokia Steel HR is a win because it looks nice, it looks discreet, doesn't look like a smartwatch, but still able to count all your calories, all the steps, and all that good stuff. So I'm about to go run again. So I just completed my hiking workout, I guess you could say. It looks like I'm about 90% done with my step goal. Not everything syncs over, of course, to the HealthMate app. So here I'll be able to see all the steps that I've taken so far. So it's just syncing over that information. And I can see exactly my heart rate, where it increased. Down here at the bottom, it does have the activity detail. So I'll be able to see more information of the workout. So it says that it lasted 99 minutes, did 2.5 miles, and then it shows the calories burned, heart rate, BPM, beats per minute. So it also gives you heart rate zones. So here you see the peak, I'm at 0 seconds. Intense workout, it was 4 minutes, moderate, 52 minutes, and light, 36 minutes. So I guess I didn't really do that much of a hard, intense workout today. But down here you get the workout intensity. Everything syncs over from the Steel HR. Now another thing you can do is edit the type of workout it was, so that way when you look back you can know what kind of workout you did. So here I'll be able to put it as a hiking workout, and I can also change the intensity level, so if it was an intense workout or just a little slow walk in the park. But other than that, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I wanted to be a little more laid back and do a vlog style and show y'all how I use the Steel HR on a day-to-day basis. Shout out to Nokia because they did sponsor this video, so huge shout out to them. Also, if you're interested in picking this up, definitely click the link down below and use promo code JBTech17 at checkout, because then you'll be able to save 10% on your whole entire purchase. But I did want to give you guys a perspective of how I've been using it, because I have been using it for quite a bit because I have been trying to get back into my healthier routines, like eating healthier and exercising regularly again. I don't know if you guys have been longtime subscribers, but for those of you who have been, you probably know that a couple years ago I lost a lot of weight. I lost over 60 pounds, and now I'm back to what I was. So I'm trying to get back into that and lose weight. So actually the Steel HR has been helping me out, tracking all my data and stuff. I recently did make a video featuring the Steel HR and showing you what kind of fitness tech I've been using to like shed some pounds and stuff like that. So definitely check that out. I'll leave that link down below. And if you want to know more about the Nokia Steel HR, I'll also leave that video below as well. So maybe you'll find some tech gadgets that can help you out. So yeah, let me know what you think about the Nokia Steel HR in the comments below. And if you do want to see more videos like this, kind of more laid back style videos, hit the like button. It not only lets me know that you did enjoy it, but it also supports the channel. If you're not following on social media yet, all the links will be down below in the description. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff. More Instagram and Twitter nowadays, but follow me on those. And lastly, if you feel like being awesome, hit that subscribe button. That way you are notified whenever I do launch a new video. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you will get notified when I drop that video. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate your support very much, but I'll catch you all on the next one. All right? Peace.